This next lesson is what I like to call broken time. It was inspired by the great Tony Williams. I'm going to use this idea of 2, 3, and 4. 2 is unison with both hands, and then the hi-hat. I'm going to have Saoirse demonstrate these. Would you mind playing 2 for me? The next one is 3. He's going to play it flat, which means there's no swing in it at this moment. Finally, there's going to be 4. We're going to have Saoirse now demonstrate these things swung. So can you swing 2? Great. Can you swing the 3? So now can you play me the 4? I'm going to have Saoirse play 2 bars at a time. He's going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and he's going to play the hi-hat on the even numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But instead of playing the hi-hat on beat 8, he's going to be taking the advice that Greg gave me. He's going to play that upbeat. So he's going to go 1, 2, and that upbeat will get him into the sequence. Threes. Fours. I'm going to have him do it exactly the same way now, but he's going to swing them. It is the same set of exercises, but instead of playing them as flat 8s, 1 and 2 and 3, it'll be 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Swung 3s. Swung 4s. So you could even substitute your kick drum. Saoirse, why don't you just get a little bit loose? You're a big Tony fan. Do what you want to do. Mix them all up. You got really loose. So yeah, that broken time, it's a really fun thing. It's not relegated to just bebop, could be swing, shuffle. Even works with rock if you want to use the kick drum and put a backbeat. Have fun trying to play some broken time.